Now we're going to prove the set difference law between A and B can be written as A union B minus A intersection B. So as usual, we'll go from the left hand side, get the basic definition. I just copied from the previous video we did. I didn't want to uh, rewrite the whole thing. And if you see, we came up to here. We took the basic definition of A set difference between A and B. We then applied the uh, De Morgan's law. We are somewhere here, right? So now we proceed with the next steps, right? So here, if you see here, we have the common term. If you look at the common term, this is the same. And see the common term. So let's pretend this is A term, this is a C term, this is a B term and C term. Now if you apply the distributive law, how do you apply the distributive law? Here you see we have A intersection C or B intersection C, so which is this, right? We can apply the second law here. This is the second law of the distributive law. And we have this term with us. Our common term is the C. We are going to replace that with the left hand side, which is A union B intersection C. All right. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, because we have the term, right? So I had to write X such that X element of A or X is an element of B intersection X belongs to, you may have to pause the video to really see how I applied the distributive law from here to the next step. The second law again, you guys have to, let me copy this so you'll understand. Let me just copy that guy and paste it here. So you have to really know how did I apply this particular law into the step, right? So pause the video and see how that is done. Okay, so we got that step. What's the next step then? And you see here, apply again De Morgan's law in this step, right? Apply De Morgan's law in this step. So X such that X or union B means what? X belongs to A union B, right? Intersection X, De Morgan's law if you apply, that's the De Morgan's law, right? You need to go and see how I apply De Morgan's law again to get back to my equation. So you have to write I applied De Morgan's law. I can't insist anymore. You have to state why you applied, which law did you apply. So here, if you see the apply this particular stuff, we can simplify here itself. You see, this is, let's pretend again, this is the term A, this is the term B. We are going to apply the set difference law. What is the set difference law states? I'm going to apply the second law. I'm going to copy this again back into our stuff. If you apply the set difference law, what does it say? A intersection B complement. You see that? A intersection B complement is A minus B. So that leaves us, right? That leaves us X such that X belongs to A union B minus X, I should say that, minus A intersection B, right? So that proves our point. When you start with X, which is the element of set difference A and B, it's same as A union B minus A intersection B, which is what we did. So watch these two videos. Let me revise what I've been talking. You have to apply, take the basic definition of the left hand side and then apply each and every law to derive at the next step. As you keep doing it, you will get it. This is all practice. You have to practice, watch the video several times, rewind it, pause the video, and do it. Okay. Sorry, the flights are flying overhead because of the fires in California. So despite all that, we have to do our finish our semester. So let's keep doing that. Okay, no issues. Stay safe, and I will upload these two videos and the PowerPoint for you guys. Okay, thank you.